Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the original Prusa XL, a cutting-edge 3D printer that's been making waves in the market. Let's see if this printer lives up to the hype. First up, let's talk about the design of the original Prusa XL. It's a departure from the traditional Cartesian design, opting instead for the core XY mechanism. This setup not only enhances precision but also supports up to 5 independent tool heads, offering versatility that's rare in this category. Now, let's delve into its features. One of the standout features is its large build volume of 360 by 360 by 360 mm, making it suitable for sizable prints. The printer supports multiple materials simultaneously, thanks to its multi-filament capability. This means you can use up to 5 different colors or materials in a single print job. When it comes to performance, the original Prusa XL doesn't disappoint. It utilizes core XY mechanics, which not only speeds up printing but also ensures high precision. During our tests, we found that the printer maintains excellent dimensional accuracy and handles intricate designs with ease. Setting up the original Prusa XL can be a bit time-consuming, but it's well worth the effort. Once assembled, the printer operates smoothly, and filament changes are relatively quick compared to other multi-filament systems. In conclusion, the original Prusa XL is a powerhouse in the world of 3D printing. Ideal for professionals and enthusiasts looking to expand their capabilities. While it comes with a hefty price tag, its performance, versatility, and build quality make it a worthwhile investment for serious users. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Let us know in the comments what you think about the original Prusa XL or if there's another product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy printing!